In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments moderation in WordPress. Comment moderation is important if you want to keep discussions on your website respectful, relevant, and free from spam. Whether you run a blog or a business site, this setting helps you stay in control of what appears in your comment section. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then select Discussion. This section controls how comments behave across your entire website. Once you're on the discussion settings page, scroll down until you find the section titled Before a Comment Appears. This is where the main moderation setting lives. Look for the option that says Comment must be manually approved and check the box next to it. Enabling this means every new comment will require your approval before it becomes visible to visitors. This step is especially useful for filtering out spam, blocking inappropriate messages, and keeping conversations meaningful. Instead of comments going live instantly, you get the chance to review them first and decide what should appear on your site. After enabling manual approval, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures your new settings are applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comment moderation in WordPress. From now on, you'll have full control over your comment section, helping you maintain a clean, professional, and engaging space for your audience. Thanks for watching, and keep your WordPress site running smoothly.